Hello again guys. TikTok have an option where you can find your comments on videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to find your comments. First let's quickly check if TikTok is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find TikTok. If there's a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to TikTok. In the down right corner, click on Profile icon. Your profile page will open up. In the top right corner click on Hamburger menu. Pop-up window will show up. Choose Settings and Privacy. Here you can see various options. Scroll down and find Comments and Watch History. Click on it. Here click on Comment History. Now you can see all the videos you commented. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow our channel. See you in the next video.